Good evening, students. So, actually, we are in sixth chapter, right? In that, we have finished about types of sets, and today I'm going to teach basic operations and sets. Basic operations and sets. Actually, in mathematically, some basic operations are there. So those are plus, minus, multiplication, division. In the same way, in set theory also having some basic operations. So those are union, intersection, and difference. Union, intersection, and difference. So union actually denoted by the symbol U, and intersection like this, and difference means minus. If we use in the words union, we will write like R only. An intersection as ein, and difference means difference only, right? So union means R in words, intersection means ein, right? The difference means difference only. So these are the three basic operations, and the one more special operation is also there, that is symmetric difference. The symmetric difference symbol, which look like triangle, right? Yeah, that will see in next class. So today I'm going to teach these three things, right? Union, intersection, and difference. So we can write A union B. Otherwise, in words, A union means what? R, yes. A R B. Union in words we can write R only. And what about intersection? Intersection means A intersection B, otherwise A and B. A and B. And here what more? I'm using what? And. For intersection I'm writing and, right? For intersection I'm writing what? And. For union R. A or B means what? A union B only, right? A and B means what? A intersection B. In set theory, A intersection B means what? A and B. Otherwise, A or B means what? A union B, right? The first one, union. Actually, in Venn diagrams, the sets drawn by are using by circles. So right, sets are used by the circle symbol, and for universal set, so we will use rectangle only, right? Here union means I'm shading here all means A and B, right? A and B both, and means totally I'm shading here. So this is means union means should take all elements, but the intersection part only should consider as ones, should consider as ones, only should take only once, right? This is A union B. So for example, I'm taking A equal to 1 comma 2 and B equal to 2 comma 3. So what about ARB? ARB. So here R means what? R means union. R means union. So union means you should take all elements. All elements means 1, 2 and 3 only. But here 2 is repeating, but don't take as repeated elements. So you should take only once only the repeated elements, right? So this is called A union B. So right, the next one, intersection. Intersection means the common part of A and B. So that's why here in Venn diagram the green color shaded part is intersection part, A intersection B, right? This is a intersection B, right? So right, intersection means should write common elements, so should write common elements, right? Intersection in words we can write by using which word? And A and B. A intersection B means, so again I'm taking same example, A equal to 1 2 and B equal to 2 3. So intersection means what? Common elements. You should write common elements. So I'm writing what? A and B. A and B means what? A and B. A and B means, again ein means intersection. Intersection means should write only common elements, right? Only here common element is 2 only, so that's why I'm writing 2. This is the intersection, A intersection B. And next one, the last one, difference. So difference means here B subtracted from A means A minus B. A minus B means what? A minus B is nothing but in Venn diagram this yellow color shade part. So what about B minus A? B minus A means, so this is B minus A. So this is blue color shaded part. Actually this is B and this is A. The left side circle is A and right side is B. So right, I'm taking this part is B minus A and next one this part is A minus B and the middle intersection part A intersection B. A minus B means, so right, we are subtracting B from A, but you doesn't take intersection part, means you don't take the common elements of both A and B. So right, so for the sake of understanding, for example I'm taking A equal to 1 2 Same example I'm repeating. So b equal to 2 comma 3. So I'm doing what here? A minus b is nothing but, so you should write first of all, you should identify the common elements here. The only one common element is, that is 2. Should don't take the common elements, otherwise you cut it, those common elements, and you should write only the elements of first set, the elements of first set, the elements of first set. The elements of first set means what? Only there is one after cutting, so we have only one element, that is what? A 1 only. So that is a minus b answer. So what about b minus a? B minus a means should take elements of b only. Means actually what is I'm doing here? So first set is important. Means first set is I'm giving the priority to first set. After cutting the common elements, I'm writing only the rest of the first set elements. Means here 1 only. Otherwise, if we ask b minus a means, so the first set is what? B only. So right, after cutting the common elements, you should write only rest of the elements, otherwise remaining elements of b, so only that is 3. So this is a minus b. So right, a minus b means what? So you should first of all cut the common elements in both sets, and the next one also you should give the priority of a elements, the rest of the a elements only. So that is what? A minus b. So Redma, actually this is total b, right? This total b I am not taking for a minus b, right ma? This total b I am not taking. This yellow shaded part is called a minus b. This part is called a intersection b, and next, and this part is called b minus a, right ma? So this is a very important diagram for a minus b, b minus a, and a intersection b, right ma? Thank you, and thank you very much.